you'll notice just here is sorry GM, I can't help it. Those other things that you might know about, I've got to get out of the way of the cyclists here. Right down there is one of the most famous grounds, and I can tell you that not just about trains and commuters. That's our bread and butter, and they're the people we serve.
What you'll see behind this door is some ongoing work, preparatory work, where Eastern Metropolitan Station, the works have already started. What the workers are doing behind these doors is preparing the entrance.
Look, you might think I'm showing you just pictures of trains. I've got an obsession with trains, but no, what you're seeing is evidence of the contribution we make to the Melbourne transport infrastructure. And here's the people that benefit from it. Basically, we're surrounded by them. It's Waterman. Welcome to Project Melbourne Metro Underground Rail, the site of the new Parkville station. If you come with me, we'll start right away. Waterman, yes, I'm a transport consultant to the government. It's my job to act as a liaison between STM, Asia Pacific and the government of Victoria, and the Transport Minister in particular, to advise on the timeline and make sure that everything to do with the contract that's been awarded to this firm, that the timeline's being met. So it's my pleasure to welcome you today as a visitor and investor from interstate and overseas. We'll be taking a short tour of the site, so if you come with me, we'll start right now. That ends our tour for today. We hope you enjoyed this insight into the state government's preparations for how your investment money is being spent here at the site of the proposed new Parkville station as part of the Melbourne Metro Underground Rail project. My name's Waterman. If you have any more questions, you can contact me via the Victorian State Government Department of Transport, STM Asia Pacific Construction. Waterman, yes, I'm a transport consultant to the government. It's my job to act as a liaison between STM, Asia Pacific and the government of Victoria, and the Transport Minister in particular, to advise on the timeline and make sure that everything to do with the contract that's been awarded to this firm, that the timeline's being met. So it's my pleasure to welcome you today as a visitor and investor from interstate and overseas. We'll be taking a short tour of the site, so if you come with me, we'll start right now.
Right, baby, every single night I can tell you a thing about taking your time. It's making me nervous, yeah. One step at a time, don't be living on the line. I don't need a friend, I got more than on the mind. Sunshine in my brain, making everyone complain. Radio in the heart, don't be
ends our tour for today. We hope you've enjoyed this insight into the government's, the state government's preparation, your investment money is being spent. And if you need any more questions, my name's Waterman. You can contact me via the Department of Transport or STM Asia Pacific Construction. Asia Pacific's Constructions can confirm there was a workplace incident last night with its worker Kane. We're all deeply upset about the incident. It is being investigated by our Safety and Risk Audit Committee. Mr Kane is in hospital in a critical condition. Our sympathies do go out to his family. We'll be doing everything to make his recovery complete and full. We miss him and we're all in shock. I can't say anything more. You really need to talk to our communications executive, Abby. We're working with the government and our union liaison rep, Mr Garcia, hand in hand. There's risk audits we have to conduct. We'll be undertaking those, but no, the construction project won't be delayed or postponed due to timelines. It's due to finish early 2007. Look, I really can't say any more. If you'll talk to our communications, because we're all really upset, and I can't say any more. No, thank you. Thanks. This concludes our tour for today. If